Hi, my name is Mike Dillon. I'm president of Lexington Manufacturing. Lexington is a 40-year-old manufacturer based in Minneapolis and Brainerd, and we serve the window and door industry with precision component solutions. We pride ourselves on work-life balance, making sure everybody has an opportunity for growth, opportunity for positive employment, and a strong family atmosphere among all of our employees here at Lexington Manufacturing. At Lexington, we have 5 core values: team, growth, can-do, our word, and people. These values have been developed over 40 years of understanding and developing our beliefs and philosophies as a company, learning what makes us successful, and what keeps people happy working for Lexington Manufacturing.
My name is Ashley Larson. I am the third shift CNC lead here at Lexington. I've been here for approximately 3 years now, and in my time here, I have learned to love and appreciate the culture, the family atmosphere that Lexington promotes and encourages. Lexington is amazing at, if you're good at your job, you do things well, they'll keep moving you forward. They'll give you more training. You can always count on being able to advance. You don't feel like you're stuck in one place.
What I like about Lexington is just the vast support staff and the variety of all the jobs here. If we have an idea out on the shop floor, whether it's maintenance or engineering or our HR department, if you can dream it, there's somebody in the company that can take care of that and put your ideas to work.
One thing I want to say is that the things that we make are tangible, things that people see, doors and windows, and there's a sense of accomplishment in being part of making something that impacts people's lives in their homes and businesses. So,
my name is Kayla Bourne, and I'm the Lamb 2 operator. I've been working at Lexington for a year and a month now. My main thing is like family, like me having a family at home and just so understanding, because where I came from, I would be written up for taking time off if a kid got sick, or just that was a big thing for me for being here. Working Monday through Friday is an excellent thing too. You don't find many manufacturing jobs that do those type of things.
People are the most important resource at Lexington Manufacturing, and I enjoy meeting all the new employees of Lexington. I look forward to meeting you as the next new employee of Lexington Manufacturing.